So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to respond to a lot of questions. I think it's one of the asked question on my channel, and this question is, what is the part number or where we can find this O-ring that is causing the leakage in the Inicia models or in the Pixie models or any Nespresso machines that use this type of capsule drawer. So here we have a working machine that I just finished repairing, and here we have the internals of this one of these machines. So you can see it's really simple. Yeah. And this specific O-ring, and this is the one that we are talking about today, is located over here. So this is the piston. Here is where the capsules is sitting. Let me exactly show you. So the capsule comes through this hole here, and it's coming like this, and it sits over here. Here is a test capsule that I made, yeah, and sits over here in this chamber. And from here, the water comes with 15 psi of pressure, yeah. And here on this side is the actual O-ring that lets this spring work, yeah, back and forward to put some pressure over the capsule, and doesn't let water come through this way, but only inside the chamber. So this gets with time, this gets a little bit old, and it will not offer the necessary seal, and this is why water comes through this area over here. So you can see already that this mechanism has the same problem, because lime scale is over here already. So yeah, here we have the O-ring itself. So where you can buy this O-ring. So first of all, let's say you cannot find it anyway in your country, or you don't have it anywhere. Let me just show you what are the actual dimensions of this O-ring. Yeah, so I can tell you right away that this O-ring is actually 32 millimeters. Yeah, so 32 millimeters inside. Yeah, and the width, the girth, or however you want to call it, of the actual O-ring is 3 millimeters. Yeah, so yeah, so it's 32 millimeters interior, 3 is the width of the O-ring. Yeah, based on this, you can buy from any hardware store or from auto parts, replacement parts, a set like this. Yeah, and here you have a lot of O-rings, different dimensions, and they are really okay to use, because these are heat resistant O-rings, and you can usually this is the one that I'm using, yeah, for this type of machines. But if you repair or other types of machines, you have also other dimensions, and the small ones are really useful. So I have one of this. It's really cheap, 10 bucks a set of this. Or if you want to go the official way, yeah, you can search on internet, and for example, the same O-ring is used also for the Inicia models, for the Pixie models, more or less all the Nespresso machines that use this one, except that the Pixie and the U machine, they don't have this one anymore. But in case you have leakage, you have to change the entire mechanism, the entire brewing mechanism for that models. But for these models, Just change this and you are fine to go. Okay, so what you have to do, just go on the internet, yeah, and type XN100. This is the model for the Initia made by Krups, yeah. They are made by DeLonghi and also made by Magimix. These are the three producers they are doing, and they all have the same O-ring. Yeah, but you can type XN100 or Initia O-ring. Yeah, and here you will find a lot of offers. But just go on eBay, for example. Yeah, if you are in Europe like me, you can find it in Italy a lot, but because these are Italian, yeah. But you can find in Italy based on O-ring gasket 32 by 3 millimeters, DeLonghi, Krups, Initia, XN, and the model number, and only €2 per piece, yeah. And this is where you can find it. I'm sure you can find it in the States. I'm sure you can find it anywhere on in the world. So it doesn't make sense to buy it from Italy if you want. But just if you type O-ring 32 by 3 millimeters, then you will find the necessary O-ring to order for these machines. So hopefully this video explains once and for all how to change or how to order, how to buy, where to buy this O-ring, yeah, in order to resolve your problems with the leaking Initia machines. If you want to see how to change this, yeah, then tune in on my channel. I have a lot of videos on this type of machines. You can see that there step-by-step disassembly and change of any parts of this machine. For me, I can tell you now it's really easy, but for a beginner could be a little bit complicated to do it. But yeah, you can. I'm definitely convinced that you can do it on your own if you take a look on my videos and my explanations. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you consider this helpful, again, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos how I repair this type of machines, coffee machines, or at my working on my car and all the stuff technical wise, then consider subscribing to my channel. I will be really happy if you do so. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.